Energy companies are warning Americans to be frugal with air conditioning this weekend, as excessive warmness and elevated demand may want to lead to blackouts. Nearly 200 million Americans are below dangerously warm conditions indicators with temperatures anticipated to start previous 100°F, 38°C, in a number of foremost cities. The country's largest energy grid declared a Stage 1 electricity emergency alert. July is predicted to be Earth's freshest month for the reason that file preserving began. PJM Interconnection, the agency and cost of electricity provide in 13 states and Washington, D.C., warned that extreme warmness and/or humidity may additionally motive potential issues on the grid. Temperatures are anticipated to go above 90°F, 32 degrees Celsius, throughout the footprint, which drives up the demand for electricity, the corporation stated in a statement. In New York, the place the warmth index is anticipated to climb as excessive as 110°F. Power issuer Con Edison is telling residents to minimize strength utilization at domestic to assist avoid shutoffs. Intense warmness and improved demand for air conditioning can purpose pressure on the electric-powered device and may also lead to localized outages, the organization stated in a statement. The metropolis is maintaining swimming pools open longer and pointing New Yorkers to dozens of cooling centers for these besides air conditioning. Grid operators throughout the USA declared warm climate signals this week and advised power groups to put off pointless protection so all reachable producing flora and electricity traces would be prepared for service. According to the most current consequences from the 2020 Residential Energy Consumption Survey, 88% of U.S. households use air conditioning. The National Weather Service, NWS, has warned that the sweltering warmth will engulf a whole lot of the one half of the U.S. Weekend ought to deliver the freshest days of summertime, so a long way for hundreds of thousands of humans from coastal Virginia through Washington, D.C. The place warmth indexes are additionally anticipated to surpass 110°F. Many locations are set to surpass their temperature information for daylight highs as nicely as heat nighttime lows via Saturday morning, the NWS said. The southern U.S. has already been baking beneath sweltering warmness this previous month. On Thursday, the town of Phoenix, Arizona marked the most consecutive days per year, 15, with temperatures above 115°F. It was once additionally the city's 28th day in a row with a temperature of at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit, properly previous the preceding report of 18 days set in 1974. On pinnacle of the heat, components of the Midwest face a chance of flash flooding from extreme thunderstorms that are anticipated over components of the Great Lakes into the mid-Missouri Valley, in accordance to the NWS. There are a variety of steps to take to continue to be secure in severe heat, along with ingesting loads of water, staying indoors or in the shade, the use of followers and ice bloodless showers to cool off, specialists say. The Biden administration introduced a quantity of measures this week to strive to handle the intense temperatures hitting the U.S., together with protections for employees who are the most susceptible to heat. Human-induced local weather trade has made heat waves extra frequent, extra excessive and longer lasting. In the U.S., an estimated 702 humans every year die from heat-induced illnesses.